Hello guys, welcome back. In this video uh, I will tell you the importance of the newspaper for UPSC as well as state PCA. Because of taking the exam, and that may be any type of exam which is related to the general study. Their newspaper has a very important role to crack the exam because of your current affair, maximum part related to the newspaper. So how to extract the appropriate news and how to use in the prelims exam as well as your mains exam. It is very important part to how to utilize in the exam. So first of all, my true advice to all those students who are preparing for the exam. First of all, you need to understand how to extract the appropriate news as well as your for the mains as well as your prelims also. So these are some topics which have been extracted from the Hindu newspaper. This is first because of your main problem to extract the news from the newspaper, the uh, current scenario, whatever ongoing. So many students facing the problem for finding the appropriate or relevant content from the newspaper. So first of all, you need to understand the syllabus as well as that is your static part, how to connect a static part with dynamic part. So current affair is your dynamic part. You can relate this topic with the static part. Uh, Not only the Hindu as well as some other standard newspaper. All are important. All are uh, important role playing in the exam. So that may be GS1, GS2, GS3 as well as GS4. In the UPSC as well as some state PCS which are following the UPSC strategy to um, checking the exam and checking the ability of the student by the selection. So this is the main content GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4. So first of all, this topic is from the economic portion. Mm, and this will be related to GS3 paper, economic portion. This is your current topic. It may be for prelims as well as it may be in the exam the paper 2 as well as paper 3. This relevance, and this is your international relationship. You can use this thing, this content in the GS3 paper as well as GS2 because of its economic component also included here. So you can use here and GS2 as well as GS3. And main thing which are very important part, your editorial. Editorial is the directly related to the all paper, GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4, all paper. I experienced this thing from since last few years. Direct question asked from the editorial. If you have a clear understanding about the editorial, you can write down sufficient content of the question. That may be 10 marks as well as 20 marks. Maybe you will see the relevancy in the your essay session or essay paper. So these are two editorial which are printed in the Hindu newspaper. So this is related to your international relevance, international relationship. This editorial, and this is your secondary. It is your social, economic, and justice portion, and this is your some two part which are not. But if you have understanding about this topic, you can understand this topic also. This is your scheme, PM Kisan. So you can use this data in your exam answer booklet as well as your notes also. You can insert it. This portion. And this is only your current scenario. And Patna High Court CJ Binod Chandran appointed to Supreme Court. And this is only on for your presence. Maybe question will be asked in this section. This is also one more your economic portion. This is your science portion. So these 10 slides will give you the whole understanding about the newspaper, how to extract the news, and how can we understand how to relate in particular topic as well. There are number of questions. When you start, you have a number of problems how to understand and number of. But once you start and go and complete step by step, this will be leads to your further journey. So don't be panic. You need to understand this topic and this relevancy. And those students who are going to join this year exam or the UPSC pre, I hope this slide will be helpful for them. And those who are preparing for the next year, this slide will give you the understanding how to extract the name and how to write the answer and which topic is important, which topic is not. UPSC is your only on analysis and time management, how to extract your relevancy of the particular topic and how, and only on your if you have a sufficient knowledge, not a large scale of the knowledge, you just need to understand the topic and what is the opinion about the topic. You can write down sufficient point wise your uh, all opinion. That will be helpful to understand and the topic. Okay, because of you just because you need to understand daily this newspaper. So it is your duty or your responsibility. You have to summarize all whole newspaper in one page as well as two page. Or after compilation of this, you will see the 14 to 15 pages will be compiled as a book or as your booklet after 1 week. So you have to complete that. You have to summarize that booklet also 2 to 3 page, and after all, after the month, at least 2 to 3 page will be uh, important for you. At least this efficiency should be helpful for the cracking the exam, and not only cracking the exam, but will give you the understanding whole topic, how to use, how to revise, how to uh, analyze this data as well as this relevancy of the exam or question orientation, how to write the particular topic, thinking and so on. So my opinion is this only. You need to understand, and those students who are going this year, I suggested for those At least you complete your newspaper daily. Uh, if you're not completing your newspaper daily, it means you cannot uh, digest whole content of the newspaper, which are related to the exam, because day by day that will be bulky for you, and also that will give you the pen for completing time. So if you have any problem, if you have any query, any sorry, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. This is my little help for those students who have no resources as well as proper guidance and not proper financial background, so they can join the coaching center. I am not only for those, also those who want that content is relevant for you, them, they can also use it. So, but my true opinion, you have to work upon yourself. You are only the person that can help yourself. I can only guide you. I cannot write the exam. So I hope this will be helpful for you. And if you have any query related your optional subject, your GS subject, and your essay subject, essay topics, or your answer writing, you can comment down, and I will try to give you the helpful advice as well as your uh, try to solve the doubt. Thank you very much.